afternoon, people. Meet again with me, Alfira Shifa, as a presenter in the news program that describes the latest interest news, which we summarize in about the news this morning under the earthquake occurred in Turkey 27, 2023. As a result of the earthquake, one person died and earthquake victim, one killed, 100 injured. DM 5.6. Turkey's earthquake killed one person and injured hundreds of others. This was confirmed by yesterday. Chairman of the Turkish government center agency AFAD, one resident died, around 69 people were injured, said yesterday. However, based on the latest data quotes from Reuters, the number of injured has now reached 100 people, 29 buildings damaged. AFAD via a post on Twitter said there's as many as 29 buildings collapsed due to the Turkish earthquake on February 22, 2023. Previously, the building had been damaged by the Turkish earthquake on February 6, 2023. AFAD notes generally 10,000 aftershocks and had occurred after the devastating February 6 earthquake. Around 173,000 buildings were damaged, according to local media reports. Turkish media critics developers for using poor materials and failing to comply with conservation regulation. In addition, President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has announced plans to rebuild 217,000 houses in industrial provinces within a year.
Hello everyone, I'm here as a journalist to ask several questions about this incident. My name is Farid Sabudra Darmawan. I'm from Indonesia, and so here I can chat with our earthquake expert from this area. Let's welcome Riza. Hello Riza, how are you today?
Okay, I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. Okay, let's answer the question. What time do you think the earthquake occurred?
This earthquake occurred at 5.23 in the afternoon.
Oh, and what do you think the cause of the earthquake?
The cause of the initial earthquake occurred due to a shift in the plates on the hill, causing the ground to shift, and earthquake occurred.
Were there any casualties in the earthquake?
Okay. So far we have found that one person has died and 110 people have been injured.
Are there still victims who have not been evacuated?
For the evacuation, the FED or my team has searched all corners of the earthquake area and everything has been evacuated.
And the last question, do you think there will be aftershock?
Maybe there must have been because this initial earthquake was quite high, namely 5.6 magnitude.
Okay, thank you Riza for the answer. Have a good day.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you for inviting me today.
Okay, thank you guys for the watch and see this talk show. And now let's see begin for the incident. Hey everyone, now we have arrived at the scene and we have seen one of the victims died from the earthquake. Let's see.